Hi everybody, it's Tamar. I'm back with another video. I wanted to show you guys what I got from the Dollar Tree. I got this headphone cleaning essentials right here, and it was $1.25. It says $5 right here, but they sell it. And I have my Apple headphones here that needs to be cleaned. I'm gonna show you if this really works. Let's take a look and let's open it. I can get it open. All right, now that that is open, let's take a look. They have these things in there. It includes 2 anti-static cleansing wipes, 1 cleaning spray bottle, a soft brush, 5 cleaning swabs, 2 soft bristle brushes. So that's all that's in there. There we go. We're gonna use the cleansing wipe first. Here are my hand dandy headphones here. We're gonna take one out. Take this one out. Right here it says it's great for AirPods. All right, so I'm just gonna do the wipe first. It doesn't have any instructions. So we're gonna take this wipe, this anti-static wipe. You should wipe your case off too, because the case gets really dirty. Gonna do this one now. Excuse my nails. And then put it back on. All right, and then we're gonna do the case, because the case also needs love and attention, and it gets dirty, and all that dirt be up in the case as well. So all right, so that's clean. Now let's take one of these. I can see some dirt in the corners, so I'm gonna take one of these right here, and you're just gonna get in there, scrape all of that out. See that? Nasty. Gonna put that on the wipe right there. Let's get all in there. Look at that. Nasty. Okay, I think we good on that part. Now I'm gonna take this little brush right here. I'm gonna just brush it. I'm gonna brush the whole thing. Then I'm gonna take this. And then we're gonna go over with this wipe again. Take this spray and we're gonna spray it down now. And then I'm gonna use the little spoolie. And then also this one. And then that one more time. Now look at that. Now it does work, because I don't see any dirt in there. Please go to the dollar store and get this. It's actually really good, and all this stuff you can keep. Of course, not the wipes and the brushes. You're gonna just have to clean off after you're done, after each use. And I think you should keep updating and cleaning your headphones either every 2 weeks or every month if you can, or every week. Just also clean your ears, and just being safe and making sure that we are caring about our ear health just as much as our outer health and inner health. So, because our ears are very important, you can get infections and different stuff like that. Yes, get this, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you guys in my next video. Bye.